Which memory in Java is thread safe, stack or heap? This is a most important question. Interviewer asks this question in some different ways so that the candidate get confused and will not be able to answer it. So it asks in some different ways also, like is heap memory thread safe or is a stack memory is a thread safe? What is the point of heap being thread safe, heap being not thread safe, or stack being thread safe? What it is? So you will understand every bit of thing in this video. So let's understand this thing. Heap memory. The heap is a shared memory area used by all threads. All objects and instance variables are stored in this heap. Since it's shared across the thread, heap is not thread safe by default. Okay, you need to use synchronization or thread safe construct like concurrent hash map, synchronous block, or volatile keyword to safely access objects in heap for multiple threads. So multiple thread gets heap memory shared, so it is not thread safe. So we they uses concurrent hash map or synchronization block to make it thread safe. Okay. Second thing, stack memory. Each thread has its own private stack, which we learned in JMM model. The stack stores local variables, method call frames, and a reference to the objects in that stack. Uh, because each thread has its own stack, stack memory is inherently thread safe. No other thread can access only stack variables directly. So, which is thread safe? Stack memory is thread safe. Which is not thread safe? Heap memory is not thread safe. I hope you understood this difference. Why these two are different? Because heap memory is shared across the threads, and stack memory, each thread has its own private stack memory. So that's the reason like stack is thread safe and heap is not a thread safe. I hope you understood this video. Please follow and subscribe my channel for more such interview informations to you. Thank you very much. Bye.